Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about integrations and how they work in GroovePages. All right, so I'm going to start off by logging into Groove Apps and making my way into GroovePages. All right, now it's important to understand that setting up integrations involves two parts, right? There's two sides to this. First of all, there is configuring the actual integration, that's part one. Then part two is using an integration element inside the page builder, right? So the first part is done through the drop-down menu right here. And you can do this either on the sides panel where we're at right now, right? We'll have a link here that says My Integrations. But you can also do this from within the page builder. Just going to bring up one of my sites right here. And so even though the menu here has a lot more options than the one in the sides panel, you'll still find the integrations panel over here. And the integrations link will bring up a modal, and this is basically where you configure your integrations for the entire Groove Apps suite of applications, right? So in the future, you'll be able to use these very same integrations for GrooveStyle, for Webinar Groove, for GrooveMail, for basically everything that we're going to be releasing under Groove Apps, right? So in here, you can see that I already have configured two integrations, right? So if I want to set up another one, I just go here, click Add, and then we have a drop down here where I can choose my integration. So these are the ones that we currently have available. And depending on what you choose here, you'll see additional configuration options become available over here. And these differ from integration to integration, right? For some, you only need an API key, as for MailChimp right here. For others, you're going to need a few more bits and pieces. And we'll do separate videos for each of these integrations to show them how exactly to go about getting the required details. But this is, you get the idea. Once you have configured your integration in the My Integrations modal, you can then actually start using the integration elements, which you can find under Elements. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll find the section labeled Integrations, and you'll see that for each of the integrations that we have available, you'll find an integration element right here. So for example, I have configured Mautic already, so I can go ahead and use that one, right? So I just drag this onto the canvas. Now, depending on where you drop it, it might look a little bit odd. Once it's on the canvas, you can go ahead and select it. And then in the functionality tab, you'll be able to actually choose, certain settings depending on what integration you have configured. So for Mautic, which is an email marketing platform, you'll be able to choose your mailing list or your segments right here. So these are all the ones that we have available. And once you click update, you'll have your integration configured, and you can then go ahead and save it and publish it.